everyone! So, in today's video, we're gonna cook everybody's favorite fall recipe, pumpkin spice filling, which as a side note, I must say that pumpkin spice actually has nothing to do with pumpkin. It's rather a spice mix that goes really well with pumpkin everything. Well, I also have a recipe for pumpkin spice on this channel, which I will link on the cards up here. So keep on watching to learn how to make this filling. Don't forget to subscribe. That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave in the comments what other videos you would like to see on my channel, being that recipes, vlogs, really anything you guys would like to see, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. It's super important for growing this channel, and I see you on my next video. Bye!